Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining me on Make It Monday. Today we are making this fun dad's themed birthday card that is actually a bit of a case because sometimes you just need ideas, and I love this stamp set, Truly Tailored. It's gorgeous, but I was really struggling to use it, so I picked up my catalogue and I opened the page and I saw this and I thought, I love that. So this is the card we're going to make today. But my version, which is very similar. But I'm going to guide you through it. So we have got a crumb cake card with a piece of the True Gentleman Designer Series paper, which I have got all organised and cut and scored and everything. So I'm going to change it up a little bit because for this card, I cut my piece of crumb cake a bit too short and I want it a little bit longer. So I've cut it again and we'll try again on this one. So, and I've got some tips for the ribbon as well. So I have cut and scored my card base. It's crumb cake. It was a piece of A4. I've cut it down the middle, scored it in half to make my card base. I've then cut my piece of Designer Series paper, so it's ½ centimetre shorter and narrower than that, and that will go straight on there. Let's do that to start with, just like that. Then I have got the Truly Tailored stamp set, which has this cool stamp in it that says, "Wishing you a dapper day." Now I have used this already on a card that was on my blog a few weeks ago for my father-in-law's birthday card just before Christmas, and I die cut this with a circle and it was fab. Looked really, really good. I do apologise, my computer is in the corner and it's bing bonging. I'm going to do something today that I've done a little bit actually in the past few weeks, and that is colour my stamp or ink my stamp up with Stampin' Right markers. I love my Stampin' Right markers, absolutely think they're fantastic. I do have a Stampin' Right marker club, which is still ongoing. You can still join in. That will get you all of the markers, all 48 markers over the space of 4 months, and the handy carry case for them to go in. All the details will be on the blog post, so do go and check that out. So we have Emerald Envy and Chocolate Chip. All of our Stampin' Right markers have dual tip, so the end that's got the skinny line on it is the skinny marker, which is great for journaling, and kind of tiny little areas, great for using with your memories and more kits. And then the opposite end has got a fat line and it is your brush tip, and it's the brush tip we need for today. And all we're going to do is we're going to grab the marker, we're going to take the side of the brush tip and we're going to rub it across the stamp. So, kind of inking our stamp up, but really selectively. I've done this quite a bit on the channel recently, because I love it. I really like a bit of multicoloured stamping. So I've just literally, the rest of it's not inked, but that bit is. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the chocolate chip. I'm going to do the moustache. And you want to get plenty of ink on, because if you don't add enough ink, sometimes you get kind of stripy lines that's just not very pretty, and it just looks a bit sloppy. So if you put plenty of ink on in a couple of different directions, just to make sure that it's well inked, and then you need to huff on it before, which will reactivate the ink, because the ink will dry on your stamp, and then we're going to stamp it down. And that's what you get. Isn't that cool? That probably could have done with a little bit extra ink. I think that's probably stamped better, but it's okay. So the next thing, we're going to take both of these pieces and we're going to banner the end. Now, both the catalogue and this one, I've bannered it very shallowly. So I'm going to try and do the same thing. So somewhere in the middle, cut up, and then we're going to just snip in from both sides, like so. I'm going to do exactly the same on this one, so cut up. And you could mark the halfway point when you cut your pieces. I didn't. Sort of forgot, to be perfectly honest with you. Wasn't quite paying attention. But that's normal. So, that is those. Doesn't that look cool? I like the fact that it's properly hand cut, that as well. I do like a hand cut effect. So, the ribbon bits at the bottom now, you can't see this properly on camera, but this ribbon is gorgeous. This is the corduroy ribbon in Night of Navy, and it's beautiful. It's super, super soft. We actually only need a little bit of it, like probably about 3 inches. So I'm going to chop that at 3 inches, and I've just taken a little bit off that was looking a bit scruffy. So, we want, the problem with this ribbon is if you just fold it in half and stuck it underneath like that, you've got the front and the back to this ribbon, but we don't want that. We want both the kind of corduroy bits sticking out. So what I did with the last one, and exactly what I'm going to do the same with this one, is I pinch them together so they look kind of how I want them to look. And I grab my handy dandy office stapler, because my office stapler does everything. And then I'm going to staple it. I'm also then going to staple it to the piece of Emerald Envy cardstock that we've already banded the ends of before, so that I can then attach it underneath like that. So I want some dimensionals on here. Like that. I'll just peel those off. Oh. Sometimes that works. If you use paper piercer, stick your paper piercer in each one of the dimensionals, pull it off. It'll keep hold of the backs of your dimensionals for you, so they then don't go everywhere. Put that on there. Isn't that cute? And then got a couple more dimensionals right on the top of this piece. Bit of fast fuse across the Emerald Envy piece. And that is the card for today. Isn't that cute? I love that. Quick and simple. Great for guys' cards. Great for, yeah, just that card when you need to send a guy a card. Birthday, Father's Day. Great. Right, that is everything I've got for you today. Anything you've seen in this video can be purchased in my online store. As always, link is in the down bar below or via my blog at stampinbyhannah.co.uk. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.